Good morning.
It literally takes everything in me to get up.
Most days that Grace and I work on the coffee shop, it looks pretty different, but right now we're working on branding. We're working on ordering all the equipment and hardware that we need, setting up the financial side of the business. Today we're gonna be actually going into the cafe and working on our coffee making, and we actually haven't worked in coffee before. So we're making sure that we have really, really good training from our roaster. That means practicing how to make espresso and getting our recipes all dialed in and all the things that it takes to make good coffee. We need to make sure we practice that. So we're gonna go in today, practice that. And in the meantime, just looking over my lists. Grace and I have lists of all the things we need to get done before the business can open, which is a long list with a lot of things. And honestly, more things are being added to it than being actually accomplished, just because it takes a long time to get these things done. But yeah, we're slowly getting there. And today, that's what I'm working on. Welcome back. We're back in Bank Coffee. If you didn't see the last video, this is the space. This is where we're gonna be making coffee in Petersham, right on the corner of Livingston and New Canterbury Road. So yeah, this is the space. It's 99% done, but a lot has changed since the last video I did. We have all our equipment in. We have our espresso machine in, grinders, all the little bits and pieces that we need to make coffee. We have done our training and we're continuing to practice making the coffees. We haven't really spent that much time making coffee. We haven't spent hours on hours on hours making coffee yet. So we're just trying to get those reps in. Obviously when we open, it's gonna be a lot better as we go and the more days that go on. But yeah, we're really excited. The space, as you can see, is there's not really much has changed in this space, but in the other space, let me just show you what that space looks like now with all the equipment in it. Yeah, we're gonna spend the next few hours on the machine and just getting some reps in. Hopefully by the end of today, the coffee's tasting really, really good. I guess we just wanna keep honing it in to make sure it's consistent and get faster at making good coffee. All right, we're all out of milk, so we need to go get some more milk.
We're out of milk. Whoa.
Are you good? We're gonna grab some more milk and grab some lunch. And you know what just opened up? I feel like if you've lived in Sydney, you know about frangos, which it's called frango, but we all call it frangos for some reason, but it's so good. Grace says that it could be like a 10 out of 10 if it had better buns. So, hot take maybe. All right, we just finished lunch and we're gonna go practice more on the machine. All right, so we finished practicing on the machine and now we're gonna go do something that we actually never do, which is we're just gonna go test drive a car for fun because
Why not?
we want to. I'll try to get a video of it. This is the car that we are test driving. So one of the best things about this car is, as you probably already know, you can just, oh my gosh. It's actually ridiculous. Like at any moment you can just punch it. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, go. Oh my gosh. It's ridiculous. So Grace and I definitely cannot afford to own a Tesla, but we're just doing that for fun because we just wanted to. So after driving the Tesla, we actually just went to an open house to look for an apartment because Grace and I are actually looking to move out of the place where we live. Yeah, but that's what a day looks like for someone who's opening up a coffee shop. We do like tons of different things and each day looks very, very different. Yeah, I'll take you on another day soon, hopefully. If you like watching these like day in the life of opening a coffee shop, then let me know because I'll make more of them. Yeah, throw a comment below of what you liked, something you'd like to see more of. When it comes to bank, I'm trying to do more update videos, but it's just things are moving pretty fast. So if you like to know something about bank coffee, then let me know, and hopefully we'll see you in there soon. Consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. It helps me a lot, and I'd love for you to be along for the ride. And as always, thanks for stopping by.